Do you use Hatch Embroidery's digitizing software, but your thread brand isn't included in the default thread color charts? If so, follow me to the software and I'll show you how to add it.
So here we are in the Hatch Embroidery software, and right now I have my thread docker open, and you can see that currently it's displaying the Issachar thread chart. I don't use Issachar threads. I actually have been using the candle threads, but if you look here in the thread charts, candle thread is not currently listed as a thread chart in list, in the default list. So what I will be doing today is adding that thread chart. Now in the Hatch Embroidery software allows you to install custom files, what they call custom assets. And in order to do so, you'll need to secure the TECH file from your thread vendor. I sent an email over to the Candle Thread Help email and asked them if they had a copy of the TCH file, and they sent it back to me within a couple of hours. So I've secured the file, and I'm going to show you how to install it. Close this out, and I'll go down to my File Explorer, going to Program Files, down to Wilcom. We'll select Hatch Embroidery. And in the Hatch Embroidery folder, the folder that you're looking for is RES. This is where your thread charts are located, and where all of the files are for the existing default thread charts that are in the program. I'm just going to click on the thread charts folder. And you can see again in here, candle thread is not currently in the list of thread charts. So I have the file just on my desktop. I'm going to drag it over into the folder. It says I'll need to provide administrator permissions to copy it. I'm just going to continue as the administrator. And now candle thread has been added. So I will close out or minimize my file explorer. I will close out my Hatch software. Not really designing anything, so of course I'm not going to save this blank document. And then I'll just reopen the Hatch software. So we reopened the Hatch Embroidery software, and I still have the Issachar thread chart here. But let's click on the thread chart selector to open up the actual default charts that are listed in here. And if we scroll down, you now see candle thread is in the list. So I'm going to click this right arrow to move it over, and then I'm going to remove the Issachar thread chart because I don't use it, I don't need it in there. And I will select OK. And as you've noticed, the thread charts have all switched over, or the colors have all switched over to the candle polyester threads. And so now I can go about my day designing and using the actual colors in the design according to the thread brand that I actually use.
So there you have it. Now hopefully that was helpful for you, and if it was, please consider liking the video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what thread brand you're using. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. I'd love to have you stick around. I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.